EPROLO, your trustworthy dropshipping fulfillment service partner and sourcing agent in China. Located in Shenzhen, China, we have been shipping millions of products to the world by sea and by air. EPROLO is not just an agent, but a technology company and customer-first company. From software development to sourcing team. From customer service to warehouse management. From packing to shipping. Not only do we provide up-to-date quality products, but also a dedicated team to make products customized to your needs. We make sure every single item is well managed and tracked. Sourcing from EPROLO is more than just move products from China to your customer, but the spirit of customer first and dedication to delivering better details. But we keep innovating and growing with our happy customers from all over the world. Make your products better, make your shipment faster, make your business more sustainable, and make your business easier to do. EPROLO enables you the world-leading supply chain resource with unlimited product supply and possibilities of making your brand. Since day one, we have been working with world-leading players to cater to your needs. Start to grow your e-commerce store now with EPROLO.